Hello, dear friends. It is IS Kannada Vahini, and also I welcome you. From today onwards, we have started the probable topics on current events for IAS 2020 preliminary examination. It is very near, almost in a month's time, it is going to happen. So, from today, we have given the probable topics on current events. So, the first topic is gold hallmarking and standards. But first of all, I want to clarify that we are not assuring that the same topics will appear in the examination or the questions will appear in the examination. What we think the most important for the 2020, that we are giving, that's all. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರ ಆಶ್ವಾಸನೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ 100% ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಇದು ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಆ ಥರ ಆಗಲಿ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಕಾರಣ IAS ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಏನೂ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Anyhow, for the benefit of the students, we have given. So the first topic is gold hallmarking and standards. So there is some new development as far as the government side is concerned, from the government side. So we have given. And also the investment on gold is also increasing. I think you can see in the newspaper. So that is the first topic. Then the second topic is mediation for commercial disputes and insolvency remedial measures in the country. As far as the commercial disputes are concerned, or international arbitration is concerned, or also the national arbitration is concerned, some new initiatives have been taken place or new developments have taken place. Especially in the international arbitration, the government has tried to bring the mechanism to the country. So that the ease of doing business and something will, you can say, like, will be easier. That's why we have given this topic on the basis of that aspect. Third one is labor codes and reforms, the historical backgrounds and acts. I think you can remember last time one question was asked in the preliminary examination, that is about the trade union movement or trade union act. We hope this time also some kind of historical aspects of the trade union or acts will appear, since the government has brought some fundamental changes in the labor laws, rules and regulations. So on the basis of this, we have given this topic. The next one is sustainable development goals on hunger and poverty. That is also an important topic, and also international initiative has been taken up. So naturally it may be the one of the things. And one more thing, the Banerjee has got a Nobel Award on the same aspect. I mean same related topics. That's why we have given this topic. Then the fifth one is features of the Consumer Protection Act 2019. That is also an important aspect. I think all of you know the important milestone that is in the form of Consumer Protection Act happened in 1986. But it was in the place of that, the government has brought the new Consumer Protection Act 2019. Naturally, it would contain some new features, novel features, and also it is going to affect the common man. This act is going to affect the common man, and also in the frequently changing dynamics of the commerce and also the consumer habits and behavior, this topic gains importance. Then the sixth topic is WTO and fishery aspect. Here, in our opinion, the fishery aspect, some subsidy aspect is going to affect the India and European relationship, that is in the trade aspect. And also there is some problem in the WTO as far as the, you can say, like, the settlement is concerned, the judicial aspects of the WTO is concerned. So that's why we have given this topic. The seventh one is human and geographic aspects of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Every year almost the question will be asked, that is on the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, on the geography or some other aspect. This time also we guess the same thing, that is on the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The last one is RUCO initiative. That is also an important aspect. One can study or one can analyze or one can gather these topics. So the next Tuesday we are going to continue the same topics, that is in the current events. Okay.